Want to make $100 a day using AI? What if I told you AI can do 90% of the work for you? In this video, I'll show you a step-by-step guide to making $100 daily using AI automation, no experience needed. Let's dive in. Step 1. Choose a profitable AI-powered business model. The first step is picking a business model that works with AI. Here are 3 beginner-friendly options. AI YouTube automation. Use AI to generate videos, scripts, and voiceovers, then upload them to YouTube to earn ad revenue. AI copywriting and freelancing. Offer services like blog writing, ad copy, or product descriptions using AI tools like ChatGPT. Selling AI-generated products. Use AI to create and sell ebooks, digital art, or even online courses with minimal effort. Once you pick your model, let's move to automation. Step 2. Use AI to automate the work. Now, we use AI tools to do the heavy lifting. Content creation with ChatGPT and Jasper AI. Need blog posts, scripts, or ads? AI can generate them in seconds. AI voiceovers with TTSMaker or 11 Labs. No need to record your own voice, just paste text and let AI speak for you. AI video editing with Pictory or Runway ML. These tools turn scripts into full videos with stock footage, AI voices, and captions. AI marketing with OpusClip and Canva. Cut long videos into viral shorts and create stunning social media posts effortlessly. With AI, you're not working harder, you're working smarter. Step 3. Monetize and start earning. Once you have content, it's time to make money. For YouTube automation, post AI-generated videos and monetize through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. For AI freelancing, offer AI-powered writing, video editing, or design services on Fiverr and Upwork. For AI product sales, sell AI-generated ebooks, templates, or courses on Gumroad, Etsy, or Amazon KDP. The key is consistency. Post content, grow your audience, and scale your earnings. Final thoughts. Making $100 a day with AI is 100% possible, if you take action. AI removes the hard work so you can focus on growth and income. Which AI business model will you try first? Comment below. And if you want more AI money-making tips, hit that subscribe button.